Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create Spotify playlist with ChatGPT. Now, first of all, you need to have ChatGPT 4 for this, to be able to do this. Obviously for this, you'll need to go to your chat here and then upgrade to Plus and make sure you upgrade to Plus from there. You'll need to go to your settings and enable all the beta features as well as the plugins as well. Now, this will allow you to go and install the plugins. Next thing that you need to do, you need to go to ChatGPT 4, go to plugins, from plugins, click on no plugins enabled. From there, you'll need to go and visit the plugin store. Now in the plugin store, make sure to search for Playlist AI. Here, you just need to install the Playlist AI, log in into your Spotify. For this, you'll need to have Spotify, obviously, and then you'll need to go and click agree, obviously, and then just go and click on it right here, and you'll be able to start creating your music. So first, what you can do is, for example, create a Japanese instrumental music playlist for work. Then, it will give you like a bunch of songs. You can tell ChatGPT to put more songs in it, to put like 50 songs or 100 songs. Based on that, you'll be able to use Playlist AI to create a playlist. So, and as you can see, click on it to take you to Spotify directly and start listening to your new playlist right here. So this is basically how it works. Very, very simple, very easy to set up. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.